Isabella Guzman is a viral teenager who got negative publicity after murdering her mother. She is the daughter of Hoy from Colorado. This story may seem like a normal teen living with her mother. However, the reality of Isabella Guzman is much worse than you can imagine. She is a daughter who stabbed her mother 79 times. In this video, we are going to discuss TikToker murdered her own mom and became famous and rich of it. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. When Isabella was 18 in 2013, she lived with her mother and stepfather. Upon moving in with her mom, Isabella attended Overland High School before dropping out, and she became a very problematic girl to her mother. But Isabella didn't have problems with her biological father. In addition, Isabella struggled with mental health issues, with no one seeming to care enough to address her problem properly. In the late summer of 2013, Isabella's relationship with her mother deteriorated further. According to her stepfather, Ryan Hoy, Guzman became more threatening and disrespectful toward her mother, and on Tuesday, August 27, the two had a particularly nasty argument that ended in Guzman spitting in her mom's face. On the night of August 28, 2013, Hoy arrived home from work around 9:30 p.m. She told her husband she was going upstairs to take a shower, but he soon heard a thud, followed by blood-curdling screams. He ran into the bathroom and found Hoy naked on the floor with a baseball bat beside her, covered in stab wounds. He tried to resuscitate her, but she was already dead. According to CBS 4 Denver, Hoy received an email from her daughter the next morning that simply read, "You will pay." Terrified, Hoy called the police. They arrived at the house that afternoon and spoke with Guzman, telling her that her mother could legally kick her out if she didn't start respecting her and following her rules. At the time of her arrest, Guzman pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity. Her doctors found she suffered from schizophrenia, and a judge ordered that she remain in a mental health institution until she was no longer a threat to herself or others. After 7 years of hospitalization, Guzman claimed her schizophrenia was under control and petitioned to be released from the institution. At the same time, footage from her 2013 court hearing resurfaced and started making the rounds on TikTok, gaining her a confounding fan base. When Isabella entered the courtroom, she nodded and then frowned as she sat down and looked at the camera. This video quickly became a hit with millions of views on YouTube. In November 2020, she launched an effort to be released, telling CBS 4's Rick Solinger she is on medication and her sanity has been restored, while alleging she suffered years of abuse at the hands of her family. Prosecutors took that evidence very seriously. "We punish people who make decisions to do wrong when they knew better and they could have done something differently. And in this particular case, I am convinced, based on the evidence that I've seen and the information that's been presented in court, that this woman did not know right from wrong and she could not have acted differently than she did, given the significant schizophrenia and paranoid delusions, audible, visual hallucinations that she was going through," said then 18th Judicial District Attorney George Brauchler. "The fight with my mom was terrible and I was injured in the process," Guzman told Solinger in November 2020. "I have the scars on my hand. I was abused at home by my family for many years. My parents are Jehovah's Witnesses, and I left the religion when I was 14, and the abuse at home worsened after I quit," she said. As for the claims of assault, she said she had met with the Pueblo County District Attorney's office. Guzman said she was told her the way the hospital wrote the report made it difficult to pursue charges, especially given the passage of time. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.